Children, how are you going today? I hope you all are safe and sound. So student, in previous video we studied the number from 50 to 79. We also studied the concept of tens and ones. So in today's video we are going to learn the numbers from 80 to 100. Yes, in this video we also learned the previous number, after number and between number. Correct. After that we learn the method of writing number from 1 to 100. Correct. So how we can do it? Yes, we learn all these numbers with the help of worksheet. So let's do it. So student, our first topic for today's session is numbers from 80 to 89. So student, when we have number 79, in 79 we have 7 tens and 9 units. Correct. When we add one more unit in it, so what happened? Here we have 9 units. When we add one more units in it, it will be 9 plus 1 and it will be 10. So when we get 10, 1, here we have one more unit of tens. So 7 tens plus 1 more 10, it will be 80. So we get 80. In 80, how many tens we have? 8 tens and 0 units. Or we can say that if we have 80, we can write it as 10 plus 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 10. How many tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tens and 8 tens means 80. Okay? Yes, so this is the method of writing number 80. 80 means here we have 8 tens. Okay, so come to the exercise and complete the following. When we have 80 plus 1, 80 plus 1, how many tens we have? 8 tens and 1 unit. So it will be 81. After that 80 plus 2, so 8 tens, 2 units, it will be 82. Next one, 80 plus 3, it means 8 tens, 3 units, number will be 83. Next one, 80 plus 4, it means 8 tens, 4 units, it will be 84. After that 80 plus 5, it means 8 tens, 5 units, number will be 85. After that 80 plus 6, it means 8 tens, 6 unit, it will be 86. After that 80 plus 7, 8 tens, 7 units, number will be 87. After that 80 plus 8, it means 8 tens, 8 units. So the number will be 88. After that 80 plus 9, it means 8 tens, 9 units, number will be 89. So student, when we have 8 tens and when we add in 8 tens, when we add 1, 2, 3 and so on, so we get the number when 8 tens 1 unit it will be 81, 8 tens 2 unit it will be 82, 8 tens 3 unit it will be 83, 8 tens 4 units it will be 84, 8 tens 5 units it will be 85. In the same way 8 10 plus 6 unit it will be 86. 8 tens plus 7 unit it will be 87. 8 tens plus 8 unit it will be 88. And 8 tens plus 9 unit it will be 89. Correct. So student, when we have 89, in 89 we have 8 tens and 9 units. So what happened when we add one more unit in 9? So it will be 9 plus 1, it will be 10. And 10 is again 1 10. So here we have 8 tens and one more 10. So total numbers of tens will be 9. So the number will be 90. Correct. So 9 in 90 we have 9 tens and 0 units. So our next topic for today's session is numbers from 90 to 99. So student, when we have 90, we can say that in 90 we have 10 plus 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 10. Now count the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means in 90, how many tens we have? We have 9 tens. And 9 tens means 90. Is it clear to you? 90 means 9 separate bundle of 10 objects. So how many bundles of 10 objects? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it will be 90. Correct. So let's find the method of writing the numbers from 91 to 99. So student, in the same way, here we have 90 plus 1. In 90 plus 1 we have 9 tens, 1 units. So the number will be 91. Nine tens, 2 units, it will be 92. Next one, 9 tens, 3 units. So the number will be 93. Next one, 9 tens, 4 units. Number will be 94. After that, 9 tens, 5 units. So the number will be 95. 9 tens, 6 unit. Number will be 96. Next one, 9 tens, 7 units. Number will be 97. After that, 9 tens, 8 units. Number will be 98. Nine tens, 9 units. Number will be 99. Yes. So student, when we have 9 tens and when we further add 1, 2, 3, so what's number we get? When we have 9 tens, we add 1 unit, it will be 91. 9 tens 2 unit, it will be 92. 9 tens 3 unit, it will be 93. 9 tens 4 unit, it will be 94. 9 tens 5 unit, it will be 95. 9 tens 6 unit, it will be 96. 9 tens 7 unit, it will be 97. 9 tens 8 unit, it will be 98. 9 tens, 9 unit, it will be 99. Correct. So student, our next topic for today's session is numbers, writing method of number on abacus. So student, what is abacus? Abacus is a mathematical instrument in which we have to count the beats and write the number. So here we have some examples how we can write the number with the help of abacus. Okay, so here the beats are given, you have to count. So let's start. Firstly, count the unit beats. In unit we have only one beats. It means how many unit we have? We have only one unit. Yes. Now tens, in tens, again see the tens column. Now in the tens column we have only 110. So what will be the number? 110 and 1 unit. So it will be 11. Correct. Moving to the next one. Firstly come to the units column. In units column how many beats we have? 1, 2. So write the 2 unit. Coming to the tens column. In tens column how many beats we have? 1, 2. So it will be 210. Okay. So 210 and 2 unit. What will be the number? 22. Correct. After that, coming to the next one. Firstly, see the column, units column, count the beats. So how many beats we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you have to write in the unit blocks? 4. After that, see the tens column. How many beats we have? 1, 2, 3. To fill the number. Now 3, 10 and 4 units. What will be the number? Yes, 34. Write it in the given space. 34. Correct. Now coming to the next question. See the units column. Count the beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many beats in unit column we have? 5. Now coming to the tens unit. Now count the beats in the tens column. How many beats we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many beats of tens we have? 4. So what will be the number? 4 tens, 5 units. It will be 45. Yes. So student, now the next type of question is the number is given 23. The number is given. We have to draw the beats in tens column and units column, and after that we have to complete it. So how we can do it? So let's start with the tens and units. So student, when we have 23, so in 23 how many tens we have? 2 tens and 3 units. Okay. Now coming to the abacus, in units column, how many units we have? 3. So we have to draw how many beats? How many beats? Yes, 3. So draw it. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. After that move to the tens column. How many tens we have? 2 tens. So how many beats we have to draw? 2. Correct. 2. Yes. So what will be the number? 2 tens, 3 units. It will be 23. Write it. 23. Now coming to the next question. The question number is given 54. In 54, how many tens we have? 5. 5 tens and 4 units. So the number will be 5 tens, 4 units. It will be 54. Now draw the beats. In unit column, how many beats we have to draw? 4. Draw it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. In tens column, how many beats we have? 5 tens. So we have to draw how many beats? Yes, 5 beats. Draw it. Correct. So student, for today's session, this is our last topic, that how we can draw the numbers from 11 to 99. So children, we all in this session we already learned the number from 80 to 89, and after that 90 to 91. So student, for this session your assignment is, with the help of the given images, you have to complete your exercise in your textbook, and after that you also have to complete your what? Yes, homework in your textbook. So one time we also discuss more how we can write the number. So let's start. We already discussed that how we write the number from 80 to 89. Okay, so when we have in this given images, with the help of these images, you have to complete your exercise in your textbook. We already learned that we have 8 tenths. When we further add units, if we add 1 unit, so the number will be 81. When we add 2 units, it will be 82. When we add 3 units, it will be 83, and so on. Correct. And our next topic is, yes, number from 90 to 99. So for number to 90 to 99, we discussed already that when we have 9 tenths and when we add unit one by one, we get the different numbers. For example, we have 9 tenths. When we add 2 units, this will be 92. When we have 9 tenths, when we add 3 units, it will be 93, and so on. Correct. So for next, for our today's session, the next topic is, we come to the exercise on practice time. In the practice time, it is given that fill in the boxes correctly and one is done for you. So student, in these boxes, we have to count the bundles, and we have to count the bundles, and after that we have to count the loose pencils. Okay, so let's count it. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many bundles we have? 6. So how many tens we have? 6. Correct. After that, how many loose pencils we have? 1, 2, 3. So unit will be 3. Yes. So 6 tens and 3 unit, it will be 63. Correct. In the same manner, coming to the next image, count the bundles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many tens we have? 8 tens, and how many units? 1. So the number will be 81. So student, the following question, that is 1, 2, and 3. All 3 questions are homework for you. Yes. Coming to the next question, that is question number 2. Fill in the missing number. So student, we already studied the concept of just before, just after, and between. And we already done the exercise. So if we have 61, what will be the just before number? 60. If we have 77, what is the just after 77? It will be 78. And when we have number 82 and 84, what is the in between 82 and 84? It will be 83. In the same way, just before 98, we get 97. Just after 989, we get 90. And in between 63 and 64, we have 64. Correct. So all 3 images are homework for you. Complete it in your textbook. Okay. So in the next exercise, you have to write the numbers from 1 to 99. So student, you have to write the number in the given boxes. How you can write? Here it is given 1. So you have to write what? Yes, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. In this manner, you have to complete the numbers and write into the given space. Okay, this is homework for you. Okay, now student, we already discussed how we write the number with the help of the abacus. Yes, we already discussed. For example, if you want to write the number, firstly we add the units column 1, 2. So how many units we have? 2. Now at the tens column, how many units? 1, 2. So 2. 2 tens, 2 unit, it will be 22. Correct. We already discussed the 4 question. 1, 2, 3 on the worksheet. So this question and this question is homework for you. And this one, this one, this one, these all fours are homework for you. Coming to the next one, the second question is draw beads on the abacus and fill in the blank boxes for the following numbers. One has been done for you. So student, in this question, suppose it is given 23. In 23, we have 2 tens and 3 units. So the number will be 23. Okay, so you have to draw. So if you have 3 units, how many beads we have to draw? 1, 2, and 3. In the same manner, if we have 2 tens, how many beads you have to draw? 2 beads. So it will be 23. Coming to the next question. In this question, the number is 54. It means 5 tens and 4 units. So if we have 4 units, so you have to draw how many beads? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many tens we have? 5 tens. So 5 tens you have to draw how many beads? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number will be 54. Correct. Now this one and this one is homework for you. You have to see the number, write the 3 tens and units. After that, draw the beads. Okay. Now coming to the next number, question is, it is mixed bag. Fill in the missing number. How you can complete it? I'm already done with the sum number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is given. It will be 20. Correct. We already done. This question is same to this type of question. The difference is that in that question, some numbers are given or both are the same. So you have to complete it in your textbook. Okay. Now the next one, write the numbers names on the following numerals. Okay, so here we have 11. You have to write in the words 11, 28, 39. Okay, so this one is the homework for you. After that, help the elephant find their number names. One has been done for you. So 79, where we have 79 here. So 61, I match the 61 to the number. You have to done 79 for 79, 98 and 64, or we can do it directly. We can do it. Yes. Yes. So here we have 79. So see, where is 79? Yes. 98, where is 98? Yeah. 64, where is 64? 64. Okay. So in the same manner, you have to complete your textbook. Okay. Now coming to the next one. So student, yes, so the next one is draw the lines to match the objects Draw the lines to match the objects. Objects, numbers and number names. One has been done for you. So student, here we have how many objects? 1, 2. So two tens and 3 units. So it will be 23. So here we have 23. We match the objects to the 23 and number name is here. So in the same manner we have to complete. Okay, how we can do it? Let's see. Here we have 1, 2 and 3 tens. Now count the units: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 37. Match, where is 37? Here we have 37. Now where is the number is 37? See here. So it will be 37. Now count the how many bundles? 1 bundle, 2 unit, 1 tens, 2 unit. It will be 20. It will be 12. And where 12 is written? Here. Okay. After that, here we have 4 bundles of tens. It means 4 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 4 tens, 4 unit. It will be 44. Where is 44 written? Yes, see, here we have 44. In the same manner, count the, here we have only loose pencils. So how many loose pencils we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where is 6? Yes, here. And where 6 is written? Here. Okay. Now the last one. How many tens we have? Only 1 10 and count the units: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15. Where is 15? Here we have 15. And where 15 is written? 15 is written here. Okay? Yes. So student, today we learned about the numbers, how we can write the numbers and how we can find the unit and tens and everything. So in this chapter we learn the 2-digit number, that is from 11 to 99, and how we can write it, that is what is the concept of tens, what is the concept of unit, or how we can write the number from 11 to 99. After that, we already learned the concept of after, before, and in between. Yes. So student, today I completed our third chapter, that is numbers from 11 to 99. Now complete your textbook. Yes, with the help of the given images, complete your all exercise of the third chapter, that is numbers from 11 to 99. Thank you. Bye-bye and take care.